Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in today's video, I'm going to be sharing get ready with me for this Raksha Bandhan. Since Raksha Bandhan is almost here, so yes, get ready, start prepping yourself. I have shared my get ready with you all. So yes, if you're interested, please continue watching the video. In this video, I have shared a small DIY which I'm going to do before makeup, and then of course this look which is quite neutral because I'm not going to do red, orange, blue eyeshadow for Raksha Bandhan, with due respect to people who choose to, of course. But yes, this is what I have come up with. So yes, now without wasting any time, let's quickly jump into the video. Before that, if you are seeing me for the first time, please take a moment and make sure that you subscribe to my channel. So yes, now let's begin. To start with the get ready with me, first I'm going to prep up my skin, and recently I have been loving this DIY mask. I have already shared in my previous videos. If you have been following me for a while, you already know it. So for that, I'm going to be taking some rose powder. So the rose powder is right here. Now I'm going to spray some rose water in this. You can of course also use like normal water, but I like the combination of rose powder and rose water. It kind of works great for my skin. So I'm just going to take sufficient amount of rose water. Now I'm going to mix it properly. Okay, so I've mixed it properly, and this is what the paste looks like. It is a very pretty pink color. I absolutely love how this mask looks and also how it works. Now I'm going to use the brush and I'm going to start applying it all over. Okay, so I've properly applied the face mask. As I said you, I love the color of this face mask. It smells amazing. And now I'm going to keep it for good 15 minutes and then catch you guys. Okay, so I'm back from my skin prep, and this is what my skin looks like. It feels so much more fresh. So make sure you do a little bit of pampering or a small DIY before you apply makeup, especially if there is like some kind of festival or you're going out somewhere. So yes, now I'm gonna begin with my makeup. So first I'm gonna properly moisturize my face, for which today I'm gonna use my Nivea cream, this one. So I'm going to be taking a thick layer of this cream and properly applying it on my face. This cream is quite thick in consistency. Like you can see, the other Nivea cream which I generally use is quite thin and your skin like absorbs it, but with this one it's thick and it keeps your skin moisturized for a really long time. I think you can already see how much this cream has moisturized my face. I absolutely love such hydrating products beneath my makeup. So now I'm going to start with my makeup. So first I'm going to use my Fit Me foundation, this one. And I'm in the shade 332 Golden Caramel. I'm just going to take one pump, dot it around. Now I'm going to be taking my Damn Beauty blender and I'm just gonna pat it. If you have seen, I have not applied concealer yet. Normally I apply it at the beginning and then I go in with foundation. But today I thought for a change, I'm just going to apply the foundation first and then I'm going to go in with concealer. So the concealer which I'm going to use today is this one by NY Bae. This is quite affordable, and also this is really good if you want to just brighten up your under eyes, nose and a little bit here. Yes. I think in makeup the main thing is the process of blending. That is what I have learned over a period of time. So this is what my base looks like. I pretty much like it. It's dewy and very hydrating. It looks very hydrating. Okay, now I'm going to move ahead with my eye makeup. I'm going to use a very neutral color, this brown shade right here. As I said, I'm going to keep it as realistic as I can. So I'm just going to use the base brown color first, and then let's see. So I'm happy with how my brown shade looks with, and I'm gonna do the same on my other eye as well. Okay, so this is what my base makeup looks like. Now I'm gonna just apply little bit of, highlighting color in the inner corner of my eyes to kind of give that pop of color. So this is the highlighting shade which I'm gonna be taking, this one. And I'm gonna be placing it right here, like that. So I'm almost done with my eyeshadow. Now I'm going to take my eyeliner and I'm just going to create a wing. I'm going to be using the L'Oreal Paris eyeliner, this one, black color. I'm very much satisfied with how my wing liner looks like. Now I'm going to be adding a little bit of blush. I'm going to use my Lakme 925 tint, this one. This is a very neutral tint. It is not like too much red. So yes, also very amazing lip color. In most of my makeup videos, I do not contour my face or I do not bronze, but for today I'm going to contour my face. I'm going to use the Maybelline's Duo stick, this one. This comes with a highlighter as well as a bronzer or a contour stick. So I'm going to take the warmer shade, this one. And now I'm going to be contouring my face and my nose. I'm just going to create two very close lines. Okay. Now I'm just going to blend in everything. I'm of course going to be showing my overall look, so stay tuned for that. Next, I'm going to be using Illuminator, this one by Swiss Beauty. I've already talked about this one in my Nykaa haul. In case you haven't watched that video, I'm going to link it in my description box. So yes, I'm just going to take few drops of this and kind of apply it on all of my high points like my cheekbones and nose. So yes, I'm just going to be doing that. As I said this kind of changes its color from golden to pink once you start blending this in. It kind of looks great, especially in photographs. So yes. Coming to my final step, which is lipstick. I'm going to be using two lipsticks. I'm going to mix them both. So this is like a kind of very dark maroon kind of color, and this is bright red. So yes, let's see how it turns out to be. That's how dark this is. So of course, I do not just apply this. Okay, so this is what my lip color looks like. I know it's bright, but I think this is going to suit my outfit. The makeup is going to suit my outfit. And yes, this is what I have come up with. I am just going to show you now how I look overall. So yes, let's go. Yes, this is my get ready with me for this Raksha Bandhan. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, please make sure that you like it, you share it with your friends, and also do not forget to hit that red subscribe button. Please hit that. It's totally free. Just subscribe to my channel for more amazing content. So yes, also wishing everyone a very happy and safe Raksha Bandhan. Enjoy yourselves, and I will see you soon with another video. Till then, take care. Bye bye. Also, before that, do not forget to check out my Instagram. My Instagram link is in my description box. Please follow me on my Instagram and subscribe to my YouTube. Thank you. Bye bye.